Hi there, I am Ashley Thompson, the often wine-inspired, jack-of-all-crafts, design-loving DIYer behind this channel, Allo Plum. Here on my channel, you will find a variety of different craft projects, DIY fashion, home decor, and even some baking and entertaining. And I know that is a broad base of topics, but I assure you that even if you came here for the crocheting, you will probably love the other topics I cover just as much. If you want to know more about my background or how I have grown my channel so far, then go check out my very first channel trailer that I posted a few months ago and my video on the strategies and topics I use to grow my audience, which is of course why you should take a second and subscribe to my channel. I come from both a design and communications background, which is one of the things that makes my channel so unique. My tutorials are influenced by the latest design trends and my access to industry and design experts. And I hope you like the way I present them too. And before I leave you to go explore my channel, which I hope you do, one of my favorite things so far since starting this has been getting to know you, other crafters and YouTubers out there. So leave me a comment below about what you like to do, drop me a link to your channel if you have one, and of course, head over to Instagram and we can be friends there too. I do post new tutorials every week, so one more time, don't forget to subscribe, and while you're there, hit that little notification bell so that you don't miss anything. See you soon!